Ever hear that advice, run it till it dies? Well, it sounds practical, but it is very expensive. Greetings, I'm Robert, and I've spent my career fixing things, building systems that worked. Now I'm using that same thinking to make and save money in retirement. And I'm sharing what actually works. Failure of anything is never cheaper than fixing it before it breaks. It always costs more than prevention. Not sometimes, but always. Failure doesn't show up politely. It shows up at the worst, most expensive time. My wife used to put electrical tape over the check engine light on the car. She also needed a full brake job, even though it had been making noises for months. Maintenance isn't about fixing things. It's about preventing emergencies. Emergencies are emotional. Emotional decisions are always more expensive. Instead of inflating a soft tire, you get to have the car towed and purchase a new tire at full price. When something breaks, you lose time, control, leverage. Now you're negotiating from a position of weakness. That's not strength, that's reacting. You did not have to have it checked when it felt hot or started to vibrate. You did not have it checked when it sounded funny or it started to smell bad. You had to have it fixed when the smoke started and the wheel fell off. Small fixes, big savings, oil changes, grease fittings, tightening bolts. Boring? Yeah. Profitable? Absolutely. Maintenance is a money skill. Most financial advice talks about investing. Very little talks about preservation. Preserving value is much easier than developing new value. Fix what ain't broke. That phrase bothers people. But fixing what ain't broke is always cheaper than replacing what just exploded. Running things till they die is not toughness. It's procrastination. Maintenance thinking is not about fear. It's about control. If you're close to retirement or already there, and you want to protect what you've built, please subscribe. I'm not here to impress you. I'm here to help you think ahead. See you next week. If you want the exact sheet I'm using, I've made it available for free. The link's below. You can use it, test it. Don't overthink it.